In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can copy Instagram comments. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. On top of that, if you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up Instagram and find whatever Instagram post with the comment you're trying to copy. In this case, let's just go ahead and use this one from the NFL. Essentially, all you need to go and do is open up the comment section, find whatever comment you're trying to copy. In this case, let's go ahead and do this one from Nick right here. And essentially, go ahead and take a screenshot of that comment. Now, from here, all you really need to do is either open up the Google app on your iPhone or Android, or just simply go ahead and open up the Photo app on your iPhone or Android. Select that screenshot, and if you go ahead and hold down on this text, it's going to give you the option to go ahead and select it. Go ahead and select it, highlight all of that text, and then hit copy just like so. From here, you're able to go ahead and simply just back out, say return to that comment section, and now you can go ahead and paste in that exact same comment if you really wanted. Boom, it's like I came up with that entire idea myself. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. Obviously, you don't have to just paste this on Instagram. You can paste it anywhere you would like. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions, once again, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.